Okay, let's talk about the reptilian brain, better known as the brainstem. Okay, now remember, I always told you people, it's all about the oxygen levels. We live in the Earth age. Our oxygen levels is of what? 21%. Okay, 21%. If you cut yourself, the wound will heal in 15 days. In the fire age, everything will be bigger. Oxygen levels will be at 25%. But what happens in the ice age? There's no trees, no nothing. What happens to our brains? But before we get moving, let me show you. The human body, okay? The cell, okay? I read this about our cells. Here we got the human brain. Mystery of the matter of the mind. Matter, what's matter? Water. Water, we made out of water. Okay, water, okay? Brain, what happens to it, okay? Here we have Albert Einstein. People say he's a genius. He's not a genius. He took the Bible and turned it into a science book. Elena something, she's a Russian lady. He took all her knowledge and turned it into a science book, okay? It's all astrological. Use a star map to see what, E equals mc squared. E, energy, equals millennium cycle. 2 square, sun, the square and the cross, okay? So, okay, here we got the human body, the blood, the rivers of life, you see, okay? The rivers of life. Here's the human body, the mind. So what happens? This is what happens to your brain. For you people, this is what I get mad with people. Love is an emotion that your body, hate is an emotion that your body creates because of your mind, your cells, okay? So remember, we have 10,000 years of sunlight, 2,000 years of darkness. In the Earth age, we have 21% oxygen, okay? This is why the people are so dumbed down. They don't have the ability to use their brain, okay? To understand how nature works, all right? Then you will have the fire age. Everything will get bigger, 25% oxygen. You cut yourself, the wound will heal overnight. Your cells, your brains have the ability to think more. Everybody will become geniuses, okay? Here, no. But what happens in the water age and the ice age? Less oxygen levels. People are going to think different. Your reptilian mind is going to kick over. Your survival mode. That's why I'm saying that good and evil doesn't matter because people will think differently because of low oxygen levels. Your primitive mind will take over. When you read all those books, people ate each other because they call them primitive. Yeah, it's going to happen again. Your primitive mind. So good and evil is an illusion.